In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a campaign in Constant Contact. Whether you're a seasoned marketing professional or just starting out, being able to effectively use Constant Contact can make a significant difference in your email marketing efforts. Let's dive right in and explore how you can set up your own campaign in just a few simple steps. First, head over to constantcontact.com. If you're not already familiar with Constant Contact, it's a powerful online marketing tool that helps businesses manage and execute their email campaigns efficiently. Once you're on the homepage, make sure you're logged in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up first. But for this video, we'll assume you're already set up and ready to go. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the main dashboard. Here, you'll see a variety of options, but what we're interested in is the Campaigns tab. Clicking on Campaigns will take you to a page where you can manage all your existing campaigns. This section is essentially your campaign hub where all your hard work will come to life. Next, look for the option that says Create a Campaign. This is usually a prominent button, often highlighted to catch your attention. Clicking this will open up a range of campaign options. Constant Contact offers a variety of campaign types, such as emails, surveys, events, and more. Choosing the right type of campaign is crucial depending on your goals. For instance, if you're looking to reach your audience with a newsletter, you'll want to select an email campaign. On the other hand, if you're planning an event, the event campaign template would be more suitable. Take a moment to decide which campaign best fits your needs. Once you've made your choice, select it and you'll be guided through a series of prompts to customize your campaign. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Constant Contact offers a selection of templates that you can customize to match your brand style. You can modify colors, fonts, and layout to ensure your campaign is visually appealing and in line with your brand identity. As you work through the customization process, keep your target audience in mind. Think about what kind of content will engage them and drive the action you want them to take. Whether it's reading your newsletter, signing up for an event, or or taking part in a survey, your campaign should be designed to encourage that action. Once you're satisfied with your campaign design and content, it's time to review everything. Double check for any typos or errors and ensure that all links are working correctly. It's always a good idea to send a test version to yourself or a colleague to see how it looks in an actual inbox. This step helps catch any last-minute issues before your campaign goes live. Finally, when you're confident everything is set, schedule your campaign for sending. You can choose to send it out immediately or schedule it for a later date and time. Scheduling can be particularly useful if you want to target your audience at a specific time of day when they're most likely to engage with your content. And there you have it. Creating a campaign in Constant Contact is straightforward once you know the process. With these steps, you're well on your way to executing successful email campaigns that can help grow your business. Thanks for watching and happy campaigning.